some moves on a woman. This can lead to inappropriate touching and inappropriate beep.
La 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 la. It's my time of the month. Ooh, the fimbria are sweeping me. Into the fallopian tube I go. And here we are in the vagina with the sperm ready, set, bang, and they're off. They're crawling into the vagina. Into the cervix. Sperm number one goes. Sperm number one. Oh, what's that? It's a sperm. Struggling. I wonder why it is struggling so. It has two heads. Can they both work together to fight against the deformity and beat all odds? Well, we will see.
No, this way!
Harsh environment.
No, this way! This way!
They will have to work together if they want to get past. Into the womb they are. They are both into the womb. How can we forget? They're fighting! Fighting! Oh, sperm number one's going a little bit of it. Who's gonna win? And we have the sperm here. Oh no! Which fallopian tube to travel down? They will have to make a fateful decision. And I see they have chosen fallopian tube. Waiting to be fertilized. Fertilized. F-E-R-T. Fertilized. Fertilized. Here come the sperm. Oh, they are. Oh, which one's gonna get into me? I'm in. I was so close.
Once this egg and sperm join, the zygote receives 23 chromosomes from the oocyte and 23 chromosomes from the sperm. It will take the fertilized ovum around 3 to 5 days to travel down the fallopian tubes to the uterus. While on its journey, it will undergo a process called cleavage, which is the equal division of the cells of the zygote without any increase in size. The cells of the zygote become smaller and smaller until it reaches the uterus, when it develops into a fluid-filled structure called a blastocyte. A blastocyte has an outer sphere of cells and a mass of cells inside. This is what the embryo develops from. Once the blastocyte enters the uterus, it will attach to the endometrium. This process is commonly referred to as implantation. Approximately 4 days after implantation, the zygote becomes an embryo until the end of the 8th week.
There are 3 terms in a pregnancy. The first trimester is from fertilization until the end of the 3rd month. During the 3rd week, the central nervous system is developed along with the heart beating. Boom, 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 boom. During the 4th week, the limb buds of the arms and legs come into play. The 5th week is when the lip and nose begin to form, as well as the beginning of the brain and the spinal cord. During the 8th week, the hands and feet are formed, and if the baby is a male, the masculine development will begin. If it is a female, nothing will happen. During the 12th week, the placenta will establish.
The second trimester focuses primarily on the growth of the fetus. Cartilage turns into bones, and although limbs have been formed, they will continue to develop. The third trimester is the turning the baby, which should take place around the 32nd week. Week 36, fingernails on the tips of the fingers start to appear. Week 40, babies expelled from mother along with the placenta.
Hi, we are here today with Dr. Manhar to interview her about fertilization. So, doctor, what is a contraceptive?
A contraceptive tries to prevent the fertilization of an egg.
Oh,
Yes.
What are the different types of contraceptives?
Well, there are many types of contraceptives. The most popular is like the male condom.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Heard of that one.
Yes. And you also have a female condom, which is like a cap, which covers the cervix.
Oh, do you insert that yourself?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You also have the pill, the morning after pill. Yeah.
What is the most effective type of birth control?
The most effective kind of birth control is abstinence. Yes, abstinence.
Okay.
But if you are to continue with sexual intercourse, which is very frequent, the next best thing would be the birth control pill, which is 99.9% effective. Yes. Although I need to warn you that it does not protect against sexually transmitted diseases.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. So, here I am with my spermies. How you doing, home slice?
I'm good.
I'm good too.
How's it been since you're riding the fallopian tube?
Well, it started off rocky.
Yeah, I saw your rocky start. I mean, during the fighting scene, that was...
Oh, that was tough competition.
Yeah, I mean, how are you and your two heads doing? I mean...
Well, we're okay. We're okay. I mean, having two heads is difficult in one tail, but we get through it.
Oh, that's good. I mean, you guys worked together and you were so close. Up 5 for that one.
Thank you.
So yes, how did it feel once you fertilized the egg?
It was exhilarating.
Yes, was it like orgasmic?
Oh, yes.
Yes,
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 Anyway, it was very, very self-satisfactory after all that hard work. I mean, going up the vagina, through the cervix, through the womb, competing with all the other sperm.
Oh, yes, but how did you guys know which fallopian tube to travel up? That is the question.
I just followed my gut instinct.
Oh, and you just followed her, right?
Yes.
Yes, really.
Follow the deformed head.
What do you have to say to
Sorry.
that? What do you have to say to that? What do you have to say? She's got nothing to say to that. Good job.
Obviously, the best sperm won.
Good job. If I had a trophy, I'd give it to you. I think I have a medal. Hold on.
Ooh, I get a medal.
Halfy, half.
And I would like to present the winning sperm with a plaque.
Oh my God! I've never won any.
Hi, and welcome to Reproduction Tonight. We're here with the sperm and egg couple everybody's talking about. So, how does it feel to finally fertilize that egg?
Absolutely fantastic. Oh, she really accepted me, she did.
Were you excited when you got fertilized?
Fertilization.
Wow, that's a cute couple. Now,
Yeah.
everyone in Hollywood has generated a name for you. What's the name?
Spurg.
Speg.
Spurg.
Speg.
Speg.
Oh my god, a couple's dispute already! Well, we really hope you come out well.
So, as a final review of fertilization, what have you guys learned?
Well, there's a heavy competition for the sperm.
And the vagina has a really harsh environment.
Yeah. So, what was the final path that the sperm had to travel to get to the egg in the fallopian tube?
Well, from the vagina, they went through the cervix and entered the womb.
And from the womb,
Into the fallopian tube, where the sperm meets the egg.
and once the sperm meets the egg, a zygote is formed, where it will receive 23 chromosomes from mom and the dad. Get comfy over here. All right.
Now remember, abstinence
It's the key.
to not get pregnant.
very nice.
If you see a faded sign at the side of the road that says 15 miles to the
Okay, we need to do that one again. Fighting in the womb of the girl's vagina. So, what is a contraceptive?
A contraceptive is...
Still walking. Okay. Okay, we got it.
I kicked both